What if the world's fastest-growing EV company didn't just make batteries, but also engineered its own hybrid engines inside some of the most advanced factories on the planet, where a finished engine rolls off the line every few minutes? The real question is, where exactly are these engines built? Is it one centralized facility, or are there multiple high-tech locations working in parallel behind the scenes? And what makes BYD's hybrid engine genuinely different from everything else on the market? You have probably heard plenty about Tesla and other electric vehicle companies. But BYD has quietly assembled something those companies haven't: a fully integrated system where the engine, battery, and electric motor function as a single, seamlessly coordinated unit. That is the core reason BYD's hybrid vehicles are spreading across global markets at a pace that is making established players genuinely uncomfortable. And it all starts inside factories, where the journey from raw metal to finished powertrain involves technology most people have never seen. This video walks you through all of it: the complete process, the facilities behind it, and how this is putting real pressure on companies like Toyota, Volkswagen, and Tesla. Where are these engines actually made? BYD produces the overwhelming majority of its hybrid powertrains in China through its subsidiary FinDreams Powertrain, a dedicated manufacturing arm handling engines, electric motors, transmissions, and complete hybrid system assembly. BYD has built this operation with one clear objective: eliminate dependence on outside suppliers entirely. The main production locations are spread across several Chinese provinces. Shenzhen serves as BYD's headquarters and birthplace, where research, development, and advanced production lines continue to operate. It is where new ideas are stress-tested before they reach mass production. The Changzhou Megafactory is arguably the most impressive single facility, so vast it functions like a small city, producing a finished vehicle every few seconds with one of the highest levels of factory automation anywhere in the world. The Xi'an plant carries an annual capacity approaching 900,000 vehicles and is responsible for hybrid powertrains destined for SUVs and sedans. Changsha in Hunan province runs a strong dedicated hybrid production line, while the Hefei facility, though newer, is scaling rapidly. In total, BYD operates between 8 and 9 major vehicle production bases across China, with hybrid components flowing through most of them. Vertical integration, the competitive weapon nobody talks about. The single most important factor behind BYD's ability to produce hybrid systems at the scale and price point is vertical integration. BYD controls its entire supply chain, from raw materials through to the finished powertrain. Engine blocks are cast and machined in-house. Electric motor windings are done internally. Blade battery packs are assembled within BYD's own battery plants. Gearboxes, inverters, and control units are all produced under the same roof. Nothing critical is outsourced. Most car manufacturers depend on an external network of suppliers. Engine components arrive from one company, battery cells from another, motors from a third. Every link in that chain introduces cost, lead time, and quality risk. BYD has eliminated those links entirely. The result is tighter quality control, significantly lower per-unit cost, and a supply chain that external disruptions simply cannot reach in the same way. This is the structural advantage that allows BYD to offer feature-rich hybrid vehicles at prices that European and Japanese competitors struggle to match even with their decades of manufacturing experience. Global expansion and where engines come from. BYD's manufacturing footprint is no longer confined to China. A vehicle assembly plant is operational in Brazil, producing hybrid models for the Latin American market. Production lines are running in Thailand and Uzbekistan. A major European factory in Hungary is due to come online in 2026, and a Turkish facility is in development. However, the core hybrid powertrains, the engines, EHS units, and battery packs continue to be produced primarily in China, where the infrastructure, technical expertise, and production scale remain unmatched. Local engine manufacturing in these international facilities may follow as BYD's global footprint matures, but for now China remains the undisputed center of hybrid powertrain production to production scale, the numbers behind the operation. The scale of BYD's hybrid output is genuinely difficult to process. BYD launched the world's first mass-produced plug-in hybrid vehicle, the F3 back in 2008. By 2026, cumulative PHEV production has surpassed 7.7 million vehicles and is accelerating. In 2025 alone, BYD produced and sold more than 4.6 million new energy vehicles combining EVs and plug-in hybrids. In several months of that year, hybrid sales actually exceeded pure electric sales, a reflection of how strongly the market is responding to the DMI system. BYD's total annual vehicle manufacturing capacity in China now exceeds 5 to 6 million units, with the Changzhou Superfactory alone capable of producing a finished car every 30 to 60 seconds around the clock. Some BYD production lines operate at an automation rate approaching 97%, meaning the overwhelming majority of assembly steps are handled by robotics rather than manual labor, with human workers primarily monitoring and supervising rather than building by hand. How a BYD hybrid engine is actually built. The process begins with raw materials, steel, aluminum, and specialist alloys arriving at the foundry. Casting pours molten metal into precision molds to form the basic engine block geometry, while forging applies high pressure to strengthen critical structural components. BYD's 1.5-liter Xiaoyan petrol engine, the heart of the DMI hybrid system, starts here. This engine achieves a thermal efficiency of up to 43%, meaning it converts a greater proportion of fuel energy into useful work than almost any comparable engine in mass production anywhere in the world. The rough castings move to CNC machining centers where computer-controlled tools bore cylinders, smooth mating surfaces, and prepare housings to tolerances measured in microns. Pistons, crankshafts, and connecting rods are machined and inspected. Precision matters enormously in a hybrid engine because the petrol unit must synchronize perfectly with an electric motor operating at entirely different speeds and torque characteristics. Assembly follows. Pistons fitted to cylinders, crankshaft installed, valves, camshaft, and timing components added in sequence with robotic assistance ensuring consistency across every unit. The electric hybrid system unit is assembled on a separate line. Both the drive motor and the generator motor are wound, fitted with magnets, and integrated into a shared housing alongside the reducer, gearbox, inverter, and controller. This compact package connects to the petrol engine to form a complete powertrain that is both smaller and lighter than conventional hybrid systems. The Blade battery pack, assembled from lithium iron phosphate cells in a dedicated battery facility, is then integrated with the powertrain and equipped with BYD's battery management system, which governs charging, thermal protection, and cell balancing continuously throughout the vehicle's operating life. No powertrain leaves the facility without passing a comprehensive testing sequence covering power output, fuel consumption, thermal behavior, vibration levels, noise emissions, and the electrical performance of the EHS unit. Units that fall outside specification return for rework. Only those that pass every test proceed to vehicle assembly, where a final dynamometer test simulates real-world driving conditions before the car is cleared for delivery. How DMI technology actually works? BYD's DMI system represents a genuinely different philosophy from conventional hybrid engineering. In most hybrid systems, the petrol engine leads and the electric motor assists. DMI, the relationship is reversed. The electric motor drives the vehicle as the primary power source in the majority of driving situations, and the petrol engine operates primarily as a generator, maintaining battery charge at the engine's most thermally efficient operating point rather than responding directly to road speed or driver demand. In pure EV mode with a fully charged battery, the car runs entirely on electric power, silent, smooth, with instant torque delivery. Urban driving ranges of 80 to 100 kilometers on electricity alone are achievable in current models. When the battery depletes to a threshold level, the 1.5-liter engine starts, not to drive the wheels but to generate electricity at its optimal efficiency point. The motor continues driving the car while the engine handles energy replenishment. When maximum power is demanded, overtaking, steep gradients, high-speed acceleration, both the engine and motor contribute simultaneously in a parallel drive mode. The system's software manages these transitions automatically, invisibly, and without the hunting or gear hunting sensation associated with older hybrid architectures. The practical outcome is fuel consumption of 4 to 5 liters per 100 kilometers in mixed urban driving, a combined range on a full tank and full charge that can exceed 1,000 kilometers in many models, dramatically reduced maintenance requirements because the engine accumulates fewer operating hours, and a cabin environment that remains genuinely quiet because electric-only operation covers the majority of everyday journeys. Compared with Toyota's well-established hybrid system, which remains reliable and refined, but operates on an older architecture where the petrol engine is more continuously active, BYD's DMI delivers a driving experience that is perceptibly closer to a pure electric vehicle while retaining the refueling flexibility of a conventional car. What comes next? BYD's trajectory is clear. Next-generation DMI systems will push combined ranges beyond 2,000 kilometers in some configurations, with improved motor efficiency, smaller and lighter engine packages, and over-the-air software updates keeping existing vehicles current. International factories in Hungary and Brazil will progressively increase local content. Flex fuel compatibility for ethanol markets is in development. Advanced driver assistance and AI-based energy management will become standard across the hybrid lineup. The factories producing these systems today are already among the most automated and efficient vehicle manufacturing facilities in existence. BYD is not simply building cars. It is systematically rebuilding the economics of the global automotive industry, one hybrid powertrain at a time.